Back in September, Lead Time launched the Go Electric content, calling on creators to share their vision. The response was incredible. We've received over 260 incredible entries from across the US. And now, the competition has spread worldwide, with over 400 incredible submissions pouring in from across the globe. We are truly inspired by your creativity. Thank you for sharing your incredible stories with us. Now, the stage is set for the world. This is your invitation to creators everywhere. Show us the spirit of your country. And here's the big news. We're extending the deadline. You now have until November 26th to enter. This is your final chance to win the $20,000 prize pool and contend for the top honors. More time means more opportunities to perfect your idea and join this global celebration of innovation. Don't wait. The world is watching. Enter the Go Electric Challenge now.